JFlames.
Yo, he said we land, yeah? Landed, man. Finally, I ain't seen the ocean in years.
Oh, man. Same here. Look how beautiful it is, yeah? And then over to the left, boom, look at those clouds. You got 20 minutes before, you get me, man's gonna be swimming in the sky. And over here, it's like, sunshine. Yeah, man, you gotta love Earth, man. You gotta love Earth, bro. The Earth will love you back. Yes, we're here in sunny Tenerife. You get me, man, like Ason. Man like JFlames,
Yeah.
get me, just landed. And we are taking a well-deserved break. It's been a crazy 2 years, like JFlames calls it, the blip from Marvel. Feels like man's lost 2 years of man's life, you know what I mean? But, you know what I mean, it's good to come on holiday. This is the first time me and JFlames has traveled from the UK on holiday together since what, 2016?
Yeah, probably 16.
You get me? We obviously man was living in other countries and that, and JFlames will fly out, come link man, and we do what we got to do. But yeah, man, here we are. In we like to call this Spanish Africa. You get me?
It's originally Africa land. Black man land
me?
this.
Yeah, man.
Shout out to all the Nubians.
Big up,
Yeah. Anubis.
Anubis. Big up Anubis.
Creatives are special. All the creatives out there, you're kings and queens. Never forget that, because society will try and make you feel like you're a bum because you don't work a 9 to 5. But you're king and a queen. Yeah? All my creatives, you're special.
That's facts.
Never forget that. Be special, live special, dress special, feel special, smell special. Yeah? And keep creating. Because without creation, the world wouldn't spin. And I had no idea that Picasso died in 1973. That fucked me up because I thought Picasso was a historical figure.
Picasso died in 1973, bro. Fucking with me. That's like, you know what? That's like the Mandela effect.
Literally. I can't believe that. Listen, I know there's some people watching that saying, no way, Google it. There's videos of him on YouTube. There's videos of Picasso on YouTube. Google it.
Mandela effects, yeah. Different scenarios in life. I literally thought Picasso died in like 1400s.
Yes.
have a hat, you know. I'm gonna have to
those are hard.
grab one still. It just doesn't look too sanitary.
There you go. That's a dry clean that stuff. It's got
Yeah.
okay, army fatigue inside.
Empezamos con una sonrisa y nos ponemos a fumar Mary Jane y su prisa. En el interior, usando Candy-Fresh, relajándonos en Canary con la UNC, un hotel en Chile, relajado.
Yeah. So we just stepped into the second hotel.
This is an apartment.
This is an apartment. Look at this. Jeez, man's got a kitchen. What? Man's got parking out there. Big garden. Oh my days. Oh my days. What's that big room as well? Jeez, watch this. This is the kicker. This is the kicker. Swimming pool. Right there. Swimming pool right there. Mad. I've got a dining table. Mad thing. Okay, say that.
JFlames.